Hey guys, this is Michael Parr. I'm here at the IWA 23 at the booth from Recover Tactical. This is Thomas and he shows us now their products.
Hello. So the first product is the 2020. It's a stabilizer for Glock pistols. You can use about 38 different Glock pistol generation 1 to 5 inside this configuration. Very fast, very easy to use it. You can also holster the product for very fast reaction time. Secondly, we have the new product we presented at Chocho 2023. It's the PX Plus. What we have here, it's a platform for AR pistols. So basically it's a Glock, but it looks like an AR-15. The only thing you need to put is the Glock inside. You close it, you have 3 connection points, and you're ready to go.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.